Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an assignee as a group via the Agile plugin and then filter it. Maybe it sounds a bit difficult for you now to understand it, so that's why I'm going to show you in detail, step by step, how it is going to be. So the very first thing that you have to do is to enable one option in order to do all these things. So you have to go here on the administration on the top right corner and then scroll down to the settings of Redmine. This is a core Redmine functionality that we are going to enable now. So it is into issue tracking tab here, and we see allow issue assignment to groups. You have to make sure to enable this and of course scroll down to the page and save the changes. Okay, so now you have to go to administration again and go to groups. We see we have a separate section here, groups. So into these groups, we see that we have already created some, but I'm going to create a new one so you will see how it will happen. Okay, so we see that we have a new group button here. You will click on it and pick some name. For example, we could pick the best. Okay, it could be TBTE. This is the best team ever. Okay, the best team ever. Required two-factor authentication. All right, we will skip this security option here. Good, so we have now this created. So we open this now and do some additional settings. We have to add users because it is empty by now. So we click new user and we'll add a couple of guys from here. So we will add Paul Smith. We'll add Mr. Steven Pong and also Mr. Andrew Foster. These three guys are going to be added. Good. Now, we have to also add a project where this group will be available. Currently, if we leave this in this situation, and it will appear nowhere because there are no projects connected to it. So we add projects. We add the Agile plugin demo project and put these guys to have a role support. They're going to be support engineers and support agents. Good, so we have now created our group. Now we go to projects again and then Agile and Agile board. Currently, we see that we have assignee enabled as a default option to appear on the board, which is good. We see that on this Agile cards, we have some guys that are assignees. So if we open this ticket, for example, we see that Mr. Paul Smith is the assignee, all right? So yeah, it could be also seen here on the Agile board. Mr. Paul Smith is the assignee. Now, if you'd like to add some ticket to have assignee to be a full group of people, the group that we have created a couple of minutes ago, then you have to just right click with the mouse on the card that you wish, and you see that, you scroll a little bit and see that assignee is this one. So from the drop down menu, actually in our case it is drop up menu because the menu is going on the top. So we see that the TBTE, the best team ever, is here. So we click, the page is automatically refreshed, and yeah, our new ticket is assigned with this group. So if we would like to check and open it, we see that here it is, assignee, and yeah, it is selected. By the way, we have missed to set a picture, but yeah, we could do it later. So this is the fast way of setting the assignees group directly on the Agile board with right clicks on the mouse. And there is a longer way if you wish. So you could open a ticket. We open it in a new tab and edit this manually. This is into old way fashion, the core Redmine functionality of making the assignee. So we put assignee again to be the best team ever and save our changes. Oh, checklist custom field. Oh my god. Testing item number 1. This is a required field, that's why it is requiring some action on it. Okay, so we just added the TBTE assignee as a group and return back, refresh our page and see that, yeah, we have now 2 tickets that have TBTE as assignee. Okay, and the last thing that I want to show you is how to filter this board with this group. So if you wish to have Agile cards that have only TBTE as an assignee, you see we have a lot of tickets now, then you have to click on filters here and then you select the assignee here and is as a value picker, and from the drop down menu here you select the best team ever, apply to see the changes, and we see that it is successfully filtered. We have these guys that are assigned to these 2 tickets. We have just assigned them a couple of minutes ago. And I want to show you one simple trick. If you'd like not every time to click on the filter, apply, and so on, you could save this actions and just save the query so you can access it with one click afterward. Okay, so click save here and name it TBTE tickets. So the tickets that are assigned to the group, the best team ever. You could do visibility to be to anyone, and yeah, actually these options here are up to you and in accordance with your needs. So I'm going to just leave it in this way and now save the changes. So we see we have created the query TBTE tickets and it is located on the right here. So it is, here it is. If I have set to be to me only as a visibility, it should have be placed here on my Agile boards, but I make it among shared with all users of Redmine, so that's why it is under Agile boards. So it is located here. Okay, so if you'd like to exit this custom query, you click clear. So you return back now to the default Agile board. And if you go somewhere else, for example, on the issues, and then return back to Agile, and you want to see the TBTE tickets, then you see here on the right, click, and just one click, you see, and it happened. It automatically applies the filter and shows you the tickets of TBTE. So yeah, this was the video of showing you how to set an assignee as a group of users using the Agile board and filter it afterward. So I hope it was good and helpful for you, and if you like it, you could subscribe to our channel on YouTube. You could read some of our other articles and see our other videos. And if you have some questions on them or some feature requests, or you would like to just say hi to our team, then please don't hesitate to contact us at support@redmineup.com. So thanks again for the patience of watching this video, and see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.